Hi, I'm Ramsey Croft. I'm a domestic builder unlimited and a commercial builder unlimited. Our main core business is commercial work, but we do get opportunities to do some high-end residential projects too. Technology and innovation is at such a rapid pace that you're always trying to keep an eye out to see what's the latest stuff out there. We want to be out of the box and achieve something different. There's not a lot of systems that do it all in one. There's a few, but not a lot. I asked Datt Electrical, Rowan, I said, mate, I just wanted something that was basic and turn it on, turn it off. Having that flexibility to use it on your phone and access multiple zones. That's where Rowan came to me and said, listen, we've been doing a bit of PIXIE lately. You got to have a look at this system.
It's been great working with Ramsey. Doing his personal house was great fun for me. This was actually the first time I touched a PIXIE product on this job.
The more we looked into it, the more we investigated it, we're like, okay, it keeps things with what we want with our vision. It keeps things simple, but very user-friendly, very accessible.
It's easy to make a change. I've had the customer request a couple of times, just to switch something different. It's as easy as doing that in the programming. Wiring's pretty traditional. PIXIE, you can run straight to a 2-channel relay. You can control devices without running cables all the way back to switchboards. You can literally just get closest power, put a relay in there, and then put a multi-function switch on the wall that controls it. Yeah, it makes it really seamless and easy to work with. PIXIE helps saving costs with, number one, is the amount of copper cable that you're installing in a build. The modules aren't overly expensive when you compare them to some of the premium switch plates, and then your programming side of it can all be done in-house just on an app. You're not having to get a service tech out to program the job for you.
It started from a recommendation and then went through implementation, and then we're like, okay, well, let's see everything we can possibly apply it to. So everything from blinds to lighting, a full spectrum, we're able to achieve it.
Usually you'll get a product, you'll expect it to, push a couple of buttons, program it in, and away you go. And normally it's, no, you're on the phone to tech support. You're defaulting things over and over again, back on the phone to tech support, and still not getting the result you want. Whereas PIXIE, I found so far, I've barely had to read a manual. I've just been able to bluff my way through things, navigate through and get things working straight away. So it's been really good.
My kids are actually using it up in their bedrooms. They're turning fans on, lights on. That's how easy it is to use, to the point now where we've actually implemented this PIXIE system now in another 3 jobs we've got going. So it started from a recommendation, and now it's sort of blossoming into a lot more opportunities for us. It is a very nice surprise to be recommended something. It meets your expectation and more.
100% I'd use PIXIE again, yeah. I actually want to do it in my own house now after installing it here.
There's solutions there for people that didn't have solutions beforehand, so we've been very, very happy.